Hey there, everybody. On my Facebook page, I'm ABC meteorologist Greg D, and we are going to talk about some things that I'm looking ahead into for next week that could really impact our forecast. First thing this morning, the visibility. That is becoming an issue. Brooksville now and Clearwater both reporting zero visibility. That is dense fog in the area. Let me give you a closer look here at our weather maps. Clearwater is zero, Brooksville is zero as well. I've been watching the Highway 589 corridor that's been seeing on and off fog. Now this looking much more dense than it was earlier. This is 589 just south of Highway 98. Still looking at that dense fog out there in some spots. It is patchy, so it improves and then gets worse depending on where you are on 589 heading southbound toward Hillsborough County. Here's the setup for today. Cold front off to the east of Florida. That'll be pushing away toward the Bahamas. High pressure moving in behind it. That keeps us dry today, tomorrow, and Saturday. We've got a storm system we're watching for Sunday, and then all eyes are going to be on the East Coast early next week. Could see a big coastal storm develop off the coast of New England that could bring snow for them. Now, whether it does is not as important to us as the only thing that we care about is whether this thing actually forms. And if it does, it could potentially drag down some much drier and much colder air into the region as we go into later on this week or next week as well, with temperatures falling by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So take a look at the setup. We'll take you hour by hour first through today, and notice on the futurecast, cloudy skies, the fog this morning, that starts to break up. By midday, I think we see a lot of sunshine. Temperatures back up into the upper 70s. By the afternoon, low 80s. Now, there could be a pop-up, especially away from the coast later today. You know, it's so humid. Once we get above 80, you really could pop a shower or downpour just about anywhere. Safest place to stay away from the rain, that's going to be the beaches. Sarasota over toward Anna Maria, St. Pete, Clearwater back up to Newport Richey and into coastal Hernando and Citrus counties. Evening plans looking fine. Those downpours and pop-ups should die down. By 11:30, we're just mainly partly cloudy skies. So here's your extended forecast. Take a look at through Saturday. No problem. I'll give you a closer look at that. Temperatures out there in the 80s, both Saturday and Sunday, Friday, Saturday, and Thursday. Dry Saturday. Now, it's really the second half of the weekend that I'm watching. Take a look at Sunday. I think Sunday begins mainly dry. Then during the afternoon, clouds begin to increase. By the evening, scattered showers and thunderstorms start to move it north to south down the Florida peninsula. Now, those could last Sunday night into Monday. So as far as the weekend itself, I think Saturday is going to be your dry day. That's the day for outdoor plans. Sunday, okay to start. Now, if you've got afternoon, evening plans, I know the Strawberry Festival ends Sunday evening, big concert, Rascal Flatts coming in there. That could be a little iffy, especially the later you get past 8, 9 o'clock. We'll have to watch the radar closely. Then shift your attention to Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm being very conservative with these numbers. If that big storm develops on Wednesday, we may not get to 70 on Wednesday afternoon, and that low temperature of 50, that could be much lower. In fact, a couple of the computer models are indicating that some parts of central Florida could be down into the mid and upper 30s early to start Wednesday. So definitely a forecast we'll have to watch very carefully as we go into the middle of next week. Certainly a lot to watch here as far as the forecast. Updates throughout the morning this morning up until 9 o'clock. Then at 9 o'clock, we'll take another look at that forecast. I'll update you and the new model information. And then, of course, we'll continue to talk about that potential storm tomorrow morning starting at 4:30 right here on ABC Action News. Have a good day, everybody.